how to set who can see your stories on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, so go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy. Okay, below, you can see here the audience and visibility section. Here, you can see the stories. Okay, you can tap the stories. In stories, here you can see who can see your stories. And the who can see your stories is set into public. So, okay, you can set this by tap this and you can see the option. So, you can set the who can see your stories into public, friend accept, or you can set into custom. So, I decide to set into friend, the who can see your stories. And after that, after you set, tap the save button below and you can see the pop-up. So change story privacy. So change your make you will apply to any photos and video currently in your story in addition to those you add from now on. And okay, after that, tap the save button on the pop-up to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set who can see your stories on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.